Welcome everyone and welcome to yet another weekly analysis. This is Gabriel Michael here today. Without wasting much of our time, let's get down to it. We are starting off with DXY and this is daily time frame. Last week I spoke about this fake out and how market has been on a bullish trend. But this week something interesting just happened. You see, price was ranging in this particular resistance zone and refused to take out this high up here and went down, broke down this trend line, this fake that I spoke about, and is heading downwards. So what are we looking at in this coming week? If we look closely here, there's another trend line that price is respecting here now. You see, there's another trend line here. So price is currently on a downtrend on the daily. Current trend now is down. Price have broken this trend line and is shooting to the downside. Now on the 4-hour time frame, let us see. We find out that price is not really giving any much direction here. We have a supply zone. Okay, we have a supply zone here and we equally have a demand zone here too. There is a demand zone here, so price is ranging in between. So I'm expecting price to either break down this trend line and confirm a downtrend. Okay, because technically we are on a bullish trend until price took out this low, this support, this low here. If price will take out this low, it will confirm a downtrend. So what will I be looking at? Price is currently reacting. I'm expecting price to react at this zone. Okay, I'm expecting price to react at this zone, and if you look closely, we are literally forming a head and shoulder. We have head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Price now went to the upside. So it's either the next target will be this zone. I'm expecting price to pull back to this zone, all right, or possibly this zone before moving to the upside. I expect the price to do this before moving up to this place and confirm the sell. This is what I'm expecting. Price to react in this zone, this support zone. I'm expecting price to react there, or price will also break this zone. That means price is going to take out this trend line only to react from this demand. This 4-hour demand is equally a possibility here. So keep your hand, because DXY is not really giving us much to talk about here. So I'm only going to be taking trade in this supply or this support zone up to this supply zone, or I'll be taking my trade from here to this place. Okay, so let's get down to the next trade, which is Euro USD. Euro USD from the daily time frame, you will notice that the price have been ranging. Okay, but current market price is bullish on the daily. As you can see, the candle has been moving non-stop, and we have this daily supply zone at the upside. We have this daily supply zone. So where are we going to be taking our trade from? Price has already expanded to the upside, so we'll be looking for a pullback. It's either price will move up that straight to the supply and to this 4-hour demand, or price will start ranging, because if you look here, we are in a supply zone here. We are technically on a 4-hour supply zone, but if you look again. This supply zone have been tested. Sorry, these supplies have been tested. So I'm expecting prices to either break this 1.08500 to tap into this supply. Okay, this 4-hour supply, because this high is an inducement. This little high above 1.08500 this. So I'm expecting price to either take out this high and tap into the supply zone, or on Monday we might see a gap moving forward or moving downwards, because this place, this demand zone, this is the demand zone that took out this structure. This is the first leg of structure this is the demand that took out this first leg of structure that confirmed the bullish buys. But look at what happened during the NFP when this demand zone took out this high. It created another high here, okay, and there was another demand again that was created, that was respected nicely during the NFP news on Friday. So you find that market has started responding on the demand blocks. The demand blocks have started be respecting. So we are expecting price to either range here and give us an opportunity to go to the downside for us to enter it, to follow the uptrend, or market is going to move up. Look at another thing. Look at this trend line liquidity. So there's a trend line moving forward. You find out there's a trend line in this 4-hour time frame. So that will be all on Euro USD. Our next pair will be on GBPUSD. GBPUSD on the daily time frame. Price have broken this weekly resistance level. I spoke about it on my previous video. This weekly resistance zone, price broke it and remain up there. So technically the GBPUSD is on a bullish trend. Current trend is bullish, but this bullish trend, we are expecting price to take out this high to confirm the bullish trend fully. Price need to take out this liquidity resting above 1.28500. So on the 4-hour time frame, let's see. The 4-hour time frame is giving us almost the same thing as Euro USD. Look at this liquidity here, and this is the demand zone. You have two demand. You have this demand. I prefer this to this last one here. I prefer this to this, because this is the demand zone that took out this high. So I'm expecting price to move up, but look closely. Price is currently reacting on this fair value gap. Price is currently reacting inside this fair value gap. Okay, so it's either we'll see a distribution in this zone, move down to the downside, or we'll see a breakout to the upside to take out this high, this liquidity resting above 1.28500. So it's not clear. We need to just look at things objectively in the coming week. That will be all on GBPUSD, and my next pair will be JPY. This pair has been a very interesting pair. So let's take it from the weekly time frame. From the weekly time frame, we are looking at price wanting to tap into the supply zone. Okay, this is a weekly supply. This is a weekly supply. As you can see, this is a weekly supply. Price is here to tap into this weekly supply, and now we are expecting price to do that in this coming week. So I'm expecting price to tap into that weekly supply. Let's move down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, there has been not much going on this daily time frame. Price have been continually moving to the upside. So where will we be looking to take an opportunity? There's this clean demand zone on the 4-hour. So I'll be expecting price, because this demand zone have taken out this high, okay, pull back and took out structure. So there's this demand zone, took out this first high, created a high. So, and we have an inducement. This is an inducement, the downside. So I'll be expecting price to tap into this demand zone and start moving to the upside. So it's either, this is what I'll be expecting price to do, something like this, and start and move to this supply, this weekly supply. So there's not much thing, because the yen economy has been very down, unless the yen is, the central bank is going to intervene in this market, but I don't see the possibility of that happening anytime soon. So the bullish trend will continue. We are just going to sit on our hand and wait for this demand zone to be tapped in, then we take our trade. Let's move on gold. Gold on a daily time frame, I spoke about this last week, that this supply zone is going to be tested. So looking at gold has been ranging. Gold has been ranging before this breakout, this trend line break. Okay, so you can see this trend line break. So I'll be expecting gold. I was expecting gold to even pull all the way to this demand zone, but it did not happen. So what are we looking at moving forward? Gold has been moving to the upside. Okay, so are we going to be expecting a pullback? I don't think so. I'm expecting gold to keep pushing to the upside, because gold close above these highs. So on a daily time frame, I'm expecting price to move up to this supply before any form of reaction to the downside. This is a major high here that gold took out on Friday. So I'll be expecting price to, this will be my supply, no, this will be my demand. So if gold tap into this place moving forward, then we will look for a pullback to this demand before a continuation. Okay, when price took out this high, the first time price took out this, I was expecting price to come back to this demand zone. This demand zone has a lot of weak attached to it, like price rejected at this zone a couple of times. So I was expecting price to come and retest it before moving forward. Coupled with the fact that it has a fair value gap attached to it, this demand has a fair value gap here and here too. Okay, this space, we are expecting price to fill it before moving on, but price did not do that. So our next bet is for price to come to this demand resting above it, then we'll take our trade from this zone. So please, if you have made up to this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It will enable us to do more. So moving forward, let's look for 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, and what are we looking at here? Is find out that NFP came and retest and took out this low, but did not come back to this demand level. So price did not come out to this demand level, so we're expecting price to come and test this resistance and turn it to support. we are expecting price to turn this resistance to support. We are expecting price to pull back at least here before taking the next move to the upside, at least to this zone. As I rightly say, this zone, watch out for this zone. This zone is going to be tested this week because the US dollar is getting weak. So I expect investors are removing their money from US dollar and they are pumping it on gold. So I expected price to do this in the coming week. If you have made it this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one. Peace. God bless.